She had aspirations and ambitions, most of which were oriented.
She's
toward
looking at the
career.
birdie.
But she had more intimate
She's
ones
looking.
as well, that involved fantasies of a perfect mate.
There
who
she
would
goes
share her
again.
love of neoclassic art, tropical getaways, and poetry. A man in her dreams, with a sophisticated edge, a toned body, a romantic mind, and some good urban polish. It seemed she found.
She gets pretty close. That bird can go a lot faster than she can, I guess. She can't catch him.
Her nervous pulse had jumped like dice in a cup when she'd seen him waiting in the movie. He already had champagne poured and ready.
Come on, Kaylee, come back.
Spoken her name.
Good girl.
The faintest of British.
Good girl, Kaylee-Ann.
Had made her want to melt. The first glass of champagne had gone to her head. She'd been so hot, so itchy when she slid across the booth. When she
Such a sweet little girl.
Her mouth on him.
Oh, my sweetie pie.
Now they were alone in her apartment, and everything seemed soft and fluid, as if she were looking through a thin veil of warm, rippling water. There was music, sweeping rainbow arches of music, and more champagne to dance in her head and sweeten her tongue. His mouth was silky.
Uh-oh, there goes Elmer now.
His hands.
Elmer, come on the boat. Come on, Elmer. Elmer, come. Good boy.